Alright guys, we're heading out to Chicago. I'm on the proverbial GoPro 10. So this is the Union. We took the Skyway all the way from the parking. We have a little store here. We're going to take the train. Leaves at 9 o'clock. I've seen a few wild things. So this is Union Depot in downtown St. Paul. We could literally take a train from probably the airport. It'd be kind of fun. If I was by myself, I would for fun, but they have stuff there, you know. Kids get on and have the time of their life. Kind of fun stuff. This area is seen as closed. I'm like, no, I don't want to sit there. So it's really kind of cool. I mean, it's very interesting, to say the least. See the Skyway all the way over here. Luck of the Irish. St. Paddy's Day will coming up here. Well, I don't know how much video I'm going to be getting in Chicago, but we'll go to the game, obviously, on Tuesday. We're going to go have pizza tonight in Chicago. This is a nice little restaurant you can kind of see. There's a studio. You have it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so not a lot's open, but just kind of interesting. The bike shop. We were in those. You hear voices at the parking lot. We thought we were homeless. Like, no, you can just take the Skyway instead of walking in the snow area. So it's kind of a nice walk. The Skyway to get here. Got here pretty quick. You can kind of tell there's. I love the architect. Very, very interesting. Isn't like Penn Station in New York. The Amtrak goes out here, and also the Megabus. If you want to go to Chicago, the Megabus, it's inexpensive to take those. You got, I don't know if it's books here, whatever you want. It was $55 to park for 3 days for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The guy that invented those book things by your house, that guy recently passed away a year ago, but we have a couple in our neighborhood. You can put a book, so I think it's a very interesting structure. She only wanted to go on a train. My dad worked the railroad, Chicago Northwestern. So I'm looking forward to it. It's like a 7-hour ride. I love old structures. Love history. I'd love to. If I was a millionaire tomorrow, I would travel to Europe. We watch The Amazing Race a lot. I love all that old stuff. Kind of cool. Interesting. The Empire Building Lounge, waiting room. The bathroom. There he is. There's the goofball. Thanks a lot for being goofy in that picture. God bless the working class, my friend. Took a picture of his buddy. They were pretty funny. So you get to something to eat if you want. Kellogg entry. The information area. St. Paul, state capital. Visitors. They're celebrating 100 years. There's our one right, Amtrak arrivals are coming in. Oh, it's canceled. We got canceled. Ours right here now at 9 o'clock. No. It's too bad. Canceled. It's not good. You kind of see how they moved them over here. This is what they were doing when they were goofing around with the chessboard. I've never played chess before. If I do chessboard, I play chess on. People are trying to get here. But you kind of see. It's a carpetbagger that they trained into me, St. Paul. His dad lives in St. Paul. I think he did a big train stuff. So if you want to go, I know the Huffs just got back from a little train trip from San Francisco to Denver. Train is a fun way to travel. I don't do that anymore, but it's still fun. My other distant signal, another guy like he did one. They built something out there in Florida. So here's a kind of a. They already have it right here. Trains kind of come in. Cool. I've been to Penn Station before. It's kind of cool. Yeah, 100 years of Union Depot. 1926 to 20. The mega bus, if you want to cruise to Chicago, which isn't too bad. Trying to see if we got a snowstorm yesterday, on Sunday. I only left once. You kind of have all kinds of stuff here. I love old trains. See that stuff right down there. Old pictures. A lot of history. Trains built this country. We don't realize that. The old days, man. That's why they sent the stuff. see this one on here. The one train was canceled at 11 o'clock. Yeah. The oil train out there. They were out of North Dakota, obviously. So, anyways. We'll go the old Mighty Mighty Mo. Here it is. Pioneer Press used to be over here. So, you kind of see clean, old structure. Anyways. Alright, you guys. Union Depot, St. Paul. 100th anniversary. Alright, guys. Thank you for the view. See you next one.